Hey yo, what's poppin' everybody? This is your boy Lil Kenji. YouTube, TikTok, cause I'm gonna drop this everywhere. Anyway, this is YouTube, right? Y'all been requesting for this. I'm here. It's not clickbait. What you just saw on the title, it is what it is. Couple. Oh, damn! I'm thinking couple switch ones.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I bet. Testing Gwababa. This is part 1. Actually, season 1, episode 1. You feel me? If you fuck with the video, I'm gonna drop more. So like, I'm not alone. It's crazy. I got 2 baddies, man. You know, I'm Kenji, boy. You feel me? Ladies, come here. Come here. Peep the ladies. Come here. Can you like be like right here? It's not right. You feel me? We will. You see how bad they are. Why are you laughing, man?
No, oh my gosh.
Can you listen to the accent, my boy? You feel me? Anyways, who am I here with?
Saucy.
Saucy. Yeah. She does music. Your IG, TikTok?
On IG, I'm Arsula Saucy. Then on TikTok, I'm Saucy Pal. Then on Facebook, I'm Saucy Pal. Yeah.
I bet. Tap in. How about you?
Fumani.
Yeah.
So at the moment, I don't really do social media.
Why?
I'm antisocial.
She's lying. I told her to be antisocial because she's mine. Anyways, we're not there. You feel me? So how are you feeling about today?
I'm okay.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Where?
Great. I'm actually having fun.
Having fun?
Yeah.
I bet. Let's test these niggas, Gwababa. I'll show the people where we at. We're at Davidson Mall and whatsoever. I bet. Spin back. Anyways, we ain't gonna stick here for long. We're gonna search for people. You feel me? Let's get into it. Okay, tell. No worry, my brother. You see, I got 2 babies. Yeah, no magic. So like, you come.
Shorty. What's wrong with Bamba son? Jangetampi, man.
You come.
Okay.
Great.
Sure.
No magic, great. So like,
Sure.
you get hands. About fast.
I'm fine. Prat Afrikaans.
You prat Afrikaans.
Oh, kudu misi Zulu. Yabona English de na chayam. Eh. Marung ay shaya na. Eh, de yolo po le osada na.
About fast. You talk about fast. Bantuan.
Ay, fana bantwana ngibadli ngizimali angithola.
Oh, that's a part. Okay, now man. So, which one do you want? You want this?
De yolo po komisyo man.
Saucy.
When I'm gonna be chotiro I'm gonna get for sure.
Okay, my brother. No, Peda, you don't just touch my products.
Oh, he's a
they are my people. You see, you must claim them first. Wow.
Okay, sure.
Yeah. Right. Of course, you speak, she speak.
Shop to Arafila.
Hello.
Mic is a good.
Sure. Yang chola mina ngikukri.
Mic is a mlumu. Mic yeah.
Okay. Sure, wena ubani?
Mkai mic.
Saucy.
Umusesi.
Saucy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Saucy, that's your name.
Yes, my stage name.
Oh, I mean nginguvet boy nje yami. Okay. I'm coming from Sochanguve Pitora section X.
Yeah, you have to put it here.
Oh. Ngivele Sochanguve section X. Sure. Mina ngibone wena ngavele ngafefezela ngachachazela vele imishini yonke sangisasebenza yabona ene vele mina ngiyazifela ngawe into ehambayo. Once.
Nigga chat.
Okay. Sure.
Okay. I'm Saucy from Davidson.
Okay.
Yeah. How old are you?
I'm fine. I'm not 22 years.
No, you're lying.
32.
You are 32. You're older than me.
How old are you?
I'm 22.
Yeah, ngishiye ukuthi nami ngina 26. Wangforce ukuthi ngizogcina kufika ku 36 una 32.
The only problem is that I don't date old people.
Oh, hayi ku grandi ke mawunjalo ke hayi. Usharp mina ngicwele.
Oh, okay.
Sure. Mara one day sizohlangana mina nawe emarenkeni.
Okay. Hey, this is taking too long. Okay, like my brother. Okay, wait. You imakhona la. Okay. Imakhona la. So, okay.
Kunelitsinyane la yabona lokunyisa lela tsinyana mfana. Dela. Kalifika le yamthana.
Beggar, my brother. Is she your type? She's your type.
Mina nginayi type ngicazwe impumulo yakhe kuphela.
Nigga got bars for ages. Damn. Okay, out of 10 ungamrate ngaki?
Out of 10?
Yeah.
Yabona eish. Yabona 8% wena ngagayo. 8% so.
It's weird.
Just niso sleg man.
It's weird. i2 yaphi?
Ngifake esikhwameni nje yami ngizoyibona phambili. Next time ngizamgaya yona. Ngiphutha safe yabona in the cage, bra.
Okay, Sosi, is he your type?
Nah, he's old.
He's old.
Yeah.
You.
How old are you?
Mngani nami ngisho ukuthi na 32.
32. Sure. Oh, wow.
Ubona
Okay,
amarinkisi intwana sisebenza kanzima.
I understand.
He's not my type and I don't date yellow bones.
Oh, you don't date yellow? Oh, akafuna ma yellow bone. Ufuna thina?
Oh, ufuna ma black magic.
Anyways, out of 10.
Black magic.
Give him 4.
4. Okay.
Here's the black magic.
You now ufuna yena?
Yeah. Or ufuna
Shorty.
lo.
Okay, you can like for money. Pull up.
Okay, intro first.
Okay.
Before Fumani, intro, before Fumani.
I don't. Who am I here with?
Yeah, Luandili here.
Luandile. Oh, bad. Now manje. For money. Pull up.
Yeah.
She's bad, ne?
Yeah. No, she's not.
She's not bad. I mean,
Actually-
do you know bad? Like, do you know what bad? Like, when I say bad, I mean like she's bad. Like,
Man.
she's not bad.
She's not bad. She's cool. Just cool.
Okay.
Okay,
So-
got Fumani for when you should talk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
Njani?
No. Don't worry. Yeah. How are you?
I'm good, Winner.
I'm good. Like you are beautiful anyway. That's the first thing I will tell you.
Nyabonga, thank you.
Yeah. Then what's your name?
Fumani.
Fumani.
Yeah.
Okay. Like it suits you.
Really?
Yeah.
Nyabonga.
And like I'm Londi then.
Okay, Mani.
Okay. Yeah. And like you are beautiful.
Yeah, you've been saying that. Thank you.
So like, I mean, out of 10, like, since like,
You want me to rate you? Yeah, I'm
Yes.
gonna rate you ngakhathazeki like ngizograte not now.
not now. Why not now?
Yeah, like I'm gonna rate you, don't worry.
When? Why not now?
Why not now?
Yes.
Cause like confidence how it's not. You're not giving enough.
How?
Like confidence how ayo, you know, I want something who's gonna be.
Like how? Like how? Like how?
Yeah.
How?
How? Like
Yes.
bulela man. Say something exciting, something eklerata.
Okay. Like you, like your shortness, like inside my heart.
You are shaky, my guy.
Like deeply down there.
Yeah.
There's this that space there.
The space.
Yo.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Yo. Okay.
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 Okay. Are you done?
No, I am not. Like, okay. First thing, like, you're my type anyway.
I'm your type. You deciding? Oh, okay.
Like, I love people like you. Like,
People my height.
you're like, you're hairy. Like, you see.
Bro is overcooking.
Okay.
Bro, when you cooking, like 2 minutes is more than enough, dog. Cook. Do like this. Yo, for money, you good? I want us to be together. It's chat. Just like motion.
Yeah.
Man, you extra. You like.
No.
Yeah,
Like,
he's telling me a story now.
there are a lot of things I can tell you.
Yeah.
A lot of things.
A lot
of things.
Okay, why don't you save them? Then you'll tell her Masini to. At least.
Okay.
Right now, you
Let me
just
save them. Put them inside.
Anyways, is she your type?
Yeah.
She your type?
Yes.
Out of 10, like
She's a 10.
she's a 10. 10 out of 10.
Yes.
I know, she's bad. That's how I say she's bad.
She's bad.
She's bad. Yeah, you see, she's bad. Exactly. For money, is he your type?
Should I be honest?
Be
I'm an
honest.
honest person. No, he's not.
Okay.
No, he's not.
It's a quiet, my brother.
Askisi, I'm so sorry.
It's fine.
It's fine.
It's not like it's a bad thing or something like yeah.
Out of 10,
I'm gonna give him a chilled 4.
4.
Yeah.
You gotta work on yourself, my boy. 4, boy, you gotta like.
He's way overconfident.
Okay.
But you, tuba matekwani.
No. No. I don't. I get to be my pick.
No, tuba matekwani. Oh, you just like that. You got no.
I'm like this.
You like
it's me.
It's you.
Yeah.
This guy. Oh, okay. Thanks for your time.
Yeah.
Did you get numbers?
Numbers.
Did you get their numbers? What happened?
Nothing happened. Like
Akafunda manam.
yeah?
Akafunda manam.
No. Marangisho angawathola if.
Okay, sharp. Okay,
It's fine.
can you like go to Lona? I'm gonna Lona that way. Okay, come with me, bro. Come with me.
Yeah, nah.
Isala! My nigga! Wait. My horse. Bella, my brother. You good? Okay, where should we pull up? Right here. My brother. It's not now. Or should we?
Yes, sir.
It's not. My brother. You good? Clean. Ay, Krokmane. Clean. No ways. Nkogile kahle. Right. Umhlobo bani? Ndebele. Okay, Zulu yasizwa mas.
Yeah.
English?
Yeah, okay.
Okwanke. Okay, my brother. There's no way uklini kanje you don't get hands. Do you get women? Basadi.
Yeah,
You get angeswati babiza ngani?
Bafati.
Do you get bafati?
Yeah,
You get bafatis?
yeah.
You sure? Out of 10? Out of like Rachel Reese out of 10. Bafati.
Shall I walk out of 10?
Yeah.
8 out of 10.
8 out of 10. Do you like short or tall?
Short one.
Short one. Fumane. Do you have Gwababa? Yeah.
Gwababa.
Nazo, okay. You joining the men's conference. Can you? Okay, my brother. Can you hold the mic? Can you like hold the mic? Okay, ne, talk to her. Ane, what you gotta do? Uto kuluma akuluma to kuluma ne.
Okay.
Sharp.
Hello.
Hi.
Njani?
Ngiyaphila wena?
Sharp.
I'm good.
Hayi nami sharp yazi.
Okay.
Yeah. Unangaki?
Mina, I'm 22.
22. Serious?
Sorry, mama.
But you look 18 years.
I know. I get that a lot.
Oh, you're so cute, ne?
Ngiyabonga, thank you.
Okay, sharp.
Not your shade. Are you okay? Do you need water?
No, I'm fine.
Are you sure ukuthi sharp?
Yeah, I'm sharp.
Not yatatazela.
No.
Awazi nokuthi uthini, wey?
No. And I can say anything.
Okay. Okay, say anything, mamele.
So, did anyone tell you that you are beautiful?
Even JK was not nice.
Oh. Yeah, cause nangikubonako nje. Yeah, ngithanda ama-type so. Yeah, aba-short, zinlenda. Yeah, so njengoba umuhle so yeah, you can attract anyone here.
Ngiyabonga, thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Wait. How? My brother. So how did it go?
It was sharp.
It was sharp.
Yeah.
She's your type.
Yeah.
She's your type. Out of 10, umnikanga.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Like I know she's Bianca boy. No, yazumlande. Le peshe Orkan. She's not from around here. Yeah, Orkan, United States of America. Anyways, mommy, what?
Oh, how come she knows isiZulu?
Sizulu. Oh, because
I'm multilingual.
Yeah.
I know a lot of languages.
she's an angel in disguise, yabo. Anyways, is he your type?
To be honest, you see my body, I exercise. I need someone who exercises. Like, do you exercise?
Do you exercise?
No.
Exactly. I need someone who goes to the gym and actually exercise.
Out of 10.
Sorry.
Since you seem a bit shy. Oh my gosh, not so fun kala. Your eyes are red. Okay, cool. I'm gonna give him how's a 5?
Yeah, it's fair enough. At least you try. But you clean though. He's clean.
He's clean.
We can give you
The
that.
thing is, I'm into fashion, so like the drip is not given.
Okay. Thanks, ne.
Thanks.
Like you can wait with long. Boy, come with me. Boys. The boys. Numnan. Okay, Zanga. Bag. It's hung up. Okay. Quality?
Quality has to come this
Okay.
way, God.
It's hung up.
Yeah.
Nimnani? Hey, shine a roll, yeah. You right? Now, manje. Okay, can I like ngene siphakathini when is Allah? Is Allah? Sure. Umnani?
Yeah, none.
Sure. Sonde. Umnani? Sure. Gama.
Utsigo. Utsigo.
Thigo.
Yeah.
Okay, wena?
Bong.
Bani?
Bong.
Okay, no Thigo no bonga ni. Sharp. Ni clean. Ngibona. But you gotta fix that. But okay, fine. Asikhola. You feel me? Asikhola. Bag. There's no way you share e-products ungathola first. Do you get hands? Ne Kangol. Do you know how much Kangol costs?
Aye.
Kangol is expensive. So for sure you got motion, but do you get hands?
Yeah.
You get hands?
Yeah.
Your Riz out of 10?
Aye.
Like Riz yakho. Ukushela kwakho out of 10.
Angathi 9.
9. 9. Ay. Where? Do you get hands? You don't get hands? You have Gwababa? You know Gwababa? Today we're gonna fix it. I'm fixing the country. Ladies. Bazaboy 2. We're fixing it. Okay, so it's gonna be like this. Sosi, can you like stand right here? Then for money right here. So like, okay, we're gonna do it like this, ne? Then nobody too, can you like be out of the cam ngani? Yeah, na ngale. Nah, we actually na nomthunzi. Ngena ka umbrella how. Okay. Can you like hold here? Talk to her, boy. Today we're fixing it. Talk to her. Nakhona ungakhohlwa. Uyakhuluma, uyamnika khuluma, uyakhuluma. If uyahluleka she will handle. Don't disappoint me, boy. Talk to her.
Hello.
Njani?
Ngiyaphila wena?
Angishaphi lapha. It's a lipstick here.
Oh really? It's not lipstick. It's an eye pencil.
Why say pen?
Thank you.
Kubani kamera?
Sosi.
Kubani?
Sosi.
Sosi. Mike utamuyibeke la umkayo uyibeke umkayo. Oh, afike. Mina kamera yambonga ne.
Bonga.
Yeah. Ayimuhle sheme. Ayimuhle.
Boy. Okay, Sosi, can you like?
Okay.
Ayimuhle sheme.
Thank you so much.
Serious. Manje nje mangathi afuna connection nawe ngathana kanjani?
When you say connection, what are you talking about?
Like nje connection nawe. Any connection?
Like texting me on WhatsApp or be in a relationship stuff?
No, texana.
Oh,
Kwazana nje.
what are we going to talk about?
Anything.
Like what?
Anything nje. Angithi ngiyasho ngithi kwazana.
Okay. So, you done?
Ave ngisakubuza manje ukuthi ngizithola kanjani connection.
Okay. I can't give you my sense.
You know ngayon.
Yeah?
You know ngayon.
Nothing.
Nothing. Why?
Nah. I don't think I'm a type.
Why?
My type. I don't think I'm a type.
Like yeah?
My type.
You are shaky, my guy.
Okay.
Yeah. So ke wena uthi ngitype yakho ngari kanjani?
Want to link us up with some alcohol? I have stomach ulcers.
I really don't know. But
Okay. Izakubuza something. Type yakho umuntu onjani?
tall guy. Yeah? You're tall, but you're not that tall.
What's going on? Like, are you cooking? We are pega.
Mina ngabubuza yena.
Yeah, we are pega wena.
No, mina ngabubuza yena ukuthi like ngenza into right kanjani.
How was his Riz?
It's not nice.
Messed up. What were you telling her or asking?
Basic things.
Basic things. Boy, can't you see how fine she is, boy? You gotta like.
Oh, nah.
So,
ngicela umbuzo ukuthi angitshela.
what's the problem?
Ngicela umbuzo ukuthi angitshela.
Did you get her numbers?
No, it's ngikwazi.
Okay, out of 10, umrate ngathi?
Over 10.
10.
Yeah.
She's ngani?
Yeah.
She's bad. Okay, when out of 10.
Sorry, but I'll give you 3.
Work on yourself. Work on yourself. If you get motion, yeah, he's not your type, so like.
Yeah, he's not my type.
Skis. Next time you'll be her type.
Next time, guys.
Next time, In the future, boy, life is like, yeah, South Africa is small, boy. You like, thanks for your time. Awusana Gwababa, no, right? Yeah, ngibonge. But ngibonge though. At least I opened the door. I opened the closed doors though. Sure. Ngiyabonga. Okay, I paid. Who am I here with? Sunday. I paid. Drip check buffet too. No ways. Bro, as clean as you are, there's no way you don't get hands. Tell me, Basadi, do you get women? You don't get women. You have Gwababa.
I don't.
You have Gwababa.
I don't have Gwababa. I just go for the women I like.
The women you like. Well, I have the women you like. If you say you don't like them,
I don't have because I have a girlfriend already.
You have a girlfriend? No, don't worry. Your girlfriend. Okay, it's just content, right? For money, pull up. Pull up. You like them short, right?
Yeah, I guess.
You guess?
Yeah.
Can you hold here? I trust you, boy. You clean. Talk to her. You speak, she speak. You speak, she speak.
Hi, Fumani.
Hi.
How are you?
Good and yourself?
I'm fine, thank you. Yeah, I see the chance just set me up here, but you do look nice, but I'm just not. I do have a girlfriend, so you get it.
Okay. No, it's fine.
It's cool.
Yeah, it's cool.
But thanks, chance.
Okay.
I wasn't raising that.
What happened?
Just told you I have a
Tanga, look at her. She's Bianca, boy. Bianca, boy.
It's fine, but I do have
Boy, your hand. One guy,
a line.
blind. Let me see your hand.
You are fine. Yeah.
Well, loyal nigga.
I like him. Trust me.
Yeah, well, you stand a
like your
chance.
loyalty.
But we are spicy.
I like your
But we are
loyalty.
spicy.
He's
Imagine you
loyal.
loyal, but your hand is not loyal. I can assure you that she's not loyal.
She is.
No, she's not. Okay.
Very sure. I don't do that. He's very sure.
You know what was I going? Okay. You think the hand is loyal? This is South Africa, chief. You're wasting your time. I'm trying to plug you.
Nah,
okay, but anyways, okay, I understand. Respect.
Always.
Only is a women's conference, right? I paid. Yeah. Oh, I paid. Who am I here with?
Yeah?
Nobody.
No James down.
But no James.
Yeah.
Oh, Shvedi James. Like the cover. Like do you get hands? Like Basad? Do you get bellies?
Yes, nice.
You get bellies.
Yes.
How often do you talk to women?
Kanjani sho kanjani?
Like ukhuluma fast ukhuluma nabo like
yeah, ngixoxa nawo utangihliza bona bajova naye zabo.
or like njalo nje. Oh, awuna Gwababa.
Hayi next time ayu.
You don't have Gwababa. Fumani, pull up.
Yangichaza kungichaza.
Yeah.
Uchaza kungichaza kakhulu.
Fumani, pull up. Now my brother. Yambona, she's bad, ne? Ima, wait. She's still my product. You must claim her.
Sure.
Yeah, she's bad, ne?
Yeah.
Bad. Okay. Bambala. Talk to her.
Kunjani sisona?
Ngiyaphila wena?
Right. Ubani igama lakho?
Fumani.
Fumani. Oh, mina nguJames.
Okay, ngikubambele. Okay, James unjani?
Sha. Uhlala kuphi Fumani?
Ngihlala eTyton wena?
Mina ngihlala eMarivat.
Okay.
Yazi Marivat?
Yeah, ngiyazi Marivat.
Serious? Oh, uyafunda uyenza nespan?
No, ngicedile ukufunda but I'm Spani at the moment.
Oh, hlezi ukhona la around.
Yeah.
Hayi. Very nani, akuna stress. Yangichaza.
Ngiyachaza.
Leyo ungakhona manazi. Ngingathanda nje ukuthi sihlanganise intonyana nje sibe right mina nawe.
Okay.
Ngaba nini like so? Awazi. Oh, mina ngibeke i-date nilanga. Alright. Anakusasunyeza mina ngihlezi khona.
Okay.
Serious uzoza.
Okay. Kenji, no ungahambi. Asithethe.
Alright, babe. Like, how did you do? You cooked uphekile?
Yeah, I'm
For sure.
Sure.
Not much. Like, yeah, she's like, is she your type?
Sure. Type yami mfethu.
Ngempela.
Short base my size mfethu. Uyangithona?
Okay, I paid. Like, out of 10 umrate ngakhi?
Out of 10. Out of 10 umrate out of 10 mfethu.
Yo, 10. Yeah. When okay, is he your type?
How old are you? Yeah.
Hmm?
28.
Yeah, 28.
He's old.
He's old. Okay. That's not the question. Is he your type?
I hate being honest. Mina nga 22.
Asho umntana bathi simqondo mfethu. Wakhula yabo. Wahamba wazibuza la imola asumntwana.
Obvious.
Kuyafana bona kushanga. Oh, na 28 mina na 22. Hlezi ngikhona. Hlala ngisipandela la imo.
Okay, so he's not really my type. No. But he's okay. He's cool.
He's cool.
Yeah, he's chilled.
Does he have race? Like, how was the race?
He's not really that confident about himself, unfortunately.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, like confidence, but overall, let's see, yeah. What's your man?
Is confidence, yeah, my
Okay, but at least you try. At least you try. Yeah, well. Thank you. No man.
Now, man,
Yeah, but who James Lord number 5
Who James Plomema Rivats da yabo. Hlezi la imola ngispina la imola yabo. Ngithi sabantu abadala.
So yeah. So guys, honestly, I felt bad for James. If anybody wanna help him with clothes, blankets, shelter, by shelter I mean a place to stay, because boy is probably in the streets. So, or maybe if you wanna help him with some coins or something like that, you can text me on my IG or on my TikTok. I'll reply you, I swear. Let's help James out, guys. One love. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Let's go. Yeah. What's your name?
It's her.
Tabo. Kinali Tabo. So Tabo. Kawona shopile Fabiani, shopile Cody. Like nje kiwena ushapile Elisimo kyawubona ro wafisha. Wafisha. There is no way do you get banana, hands, berries. Do you get hands? You have Gwababa. You have Gwababa. No, Sane Ubuelemu. You don't get hands. Okay, my name is K Engineer. We will fix it today. We will fix it. Saucy, come here. So, okay, come here. Itlamu. Ima onamu. Itlakam. Okay, so like Tepo. How kangha. Okay. So like Kupatwarum. Yeah. Get iPhone. Buale. Udiraso. Ubuwe mo. Umufa buwe. Libuisa. Itla. Oh. Buale. She's bad, ne?
Kibuele. Yeah, buele. Umuti.
Taraso ubu. Buale.
Hello. Buaka mai kuna mai ka kirmu kasa. Ya buaka.
Kushapin.
Anagisha.
Mufe mai ka habuwa yen.
Oh, habuwa.
Ya habuwa yen mufe.
Okay. Jugwala detail.
Saucy.
Saucy.
Yeah.
From
Davidson.
Yeah. Okay, so
I'm an artist. Yeah, I'm an artist.
You are shaking, my guy. Even shaking was not nice.
Yeah, just stop and
Stop it, coffee sauce.
Okay.
Hey, what's up? New Air Force was the camera stick. Real bad bitch tryna eat on my kids. Face down, that's up when I hit it. Short as a dick, got me thinking a lot. Look at me get to the top. Poverty pen out, I came from the gutter. I came from humble beginning. Made me a fool, you get hit with a stick. Had a good day today. Call me a up, he got shot in his face.